can prevent children from changing settings after a specific cycle has been set. To activate the child lock, you must first select the desired cycle. Once the cycle is set, press and hold the two buttons noted on the control panel simultaneously for 3 seconds. The child lock indicator will illuminate on the control panel once the setting has been activated. To deactivate the child lock, press and hold the two buttons noted on the control panel simultaneously for 3 seconds until the indicator turns off. Once the child lock is set, it must be deactivated before any settings can be changed.